Hey, 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 yo, I ain't writing all that code myself. Now, I got Clyde right here, bro. Watch this. Pull up to the terminal, I'm feeling like a genius. Prompt the AI, tell it what I ate, and then I lean back. Used to spend a week on authentication. Now I ship it in the night, this vibe code of dedication. I don't read the dots no more, I just describe the vision. I'll be writing functions with surgical precision. Stack overflow, who I don't even know her. Ship the MVP before my morning coffee's over. I'ma ship that code. I'ma ship that code. Hey, I got AI on the terminal, and I'm about to show that code. I'ma ship that code. Whole app in a weekend. Tell me what you know. Don't even gotta type it on myself no more. Ship that code. Ship that code. Hey, everybody out here grinding for a month on features. I just hop on stream and let the AI be my teacher. Friday night we live, yeah, the lab rats all watching. Prompt till production while the haters still brainstorming. REM TypeScript, yeah, the stack is looking clean. Fastest ship to market that you ever seen. My GitHub looking greener than a tropical forest. Commits every hour, I am never getting bored with. I'ma ship that code. I'ma ship that code. Hey, I got AI on the terminal and I'm about to show that code. I'ma ship that code. Whole app in a weekend. Tell me what you know. Don't even gotta type it on myself no more. Ship that code. Ship that code. Yeah. Do I know what every line does? Not really. Do the test pass? Sometimes. Is it in production? Yes, sir. Did I
What's up,
vibe
Kerr?
code
What's
it?
up, Bob?
Absolutely. Cash register sound. They say real dev
Cash register sound.
I say real dev ship and watch it land. AI pair programming, yeah, that's the wave. Every prompt to shovel, every token pave. Used to be afraid to start a brand new project. Now I spin up 3 before my lunch is finished. Vibe code, that's the motto. Ship today and iterate tomorrow. I'ma ship that code. I'ma ship that code. Hey, I got AI on the terminal and I'm about to show that code. I'ma ship that code. Whole app in a weekend. Tell me what you show. Don't even gotta type it on myself no more. Ship that code. Ship that code. Bro, did you just mass ship an entire SaaS? Yeah. How long did that take? Like 45 minutes. Nah.
All right. We're here, guys. How's everybody doing? We shipped that code. So we officially did it. We shipped QwickCert. We demoed it on the BridgeMind live stream today. I think we did a good job. Man, it was kind of down to the wire, kind of getting the whole demo ready to present it. But yeah, it's there. It's ready for people. We got our founding dev and founding team discounts. So people could sign up right now. First 50 spots get the lifetime lock-in. You did a rewind on the stream to watch? Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, there are some things I need to do.
At Hardhead Hackerhead
Wow.
pulls the slot machine.
One away. It was one cherry away. It was right there. Unbelievable.
QwickCert.dev pulls the slot machine.
Nice try, Kerr. Well, what are we gonna do today? I kind of wanted to just relax a little bit today and work on something fun. Like maybe starting the incremental game. I think that's what we'll do. Let me see if I can find my Claude chat for it. Treat yourself. I don't know where my chat is. Or you could sign Abe and get it out there. Yeah. Do you have business email set up for the site? I have admin and support, or I have admin and security. Everything else is through support here. But that is one thing I need to do is be able to email the people that are signed up efficiently. Whoa. Little sneeze attack. Let's see. There was a couple people that did sign up. Let me check on my other screen here. Yeah, so we have a couple people that did sign up. They're pending setup. I did email them, or try to, just to give it an introduction, and you know, reach out if they need any help. They can reach out to me. Where is that chat? I thought I started, but I guess I didn't. Oh no, wait, I did. Okay, here we are. Hello, Narrow Pathfinders. Can you see anything new in the stream today, guys? It's a little difficult to see. We have this lava lamp and this plasma ball. All right. We have this GDD, as they call it, game design document. Can you convert this to a MD file? So it's a game design document I went through and I built. It's a multiplayer roguelite bullet hell with social deception. What's up, man? Your daily dev, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Don't know if you saw it earlier, but I joined BridgeMind's live stream earlier and demoed QwickCert. You saw they were complaining, yeah. Looks like they got some scripts in here. A lot of scripts to convert it. I mean, it's good for business, but like, why do we need all this? Just give me the words. The words is what matters. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have Claude keep working on that, and we're going to take a break from QwickCert and just start this new project. You know, take a break. We've been working pretty hard for the past week with no real breaks on things. Claude cleaned up my desktop. Where's my quad code? Shortcut. Maybe put it inside Claude's lab? There it is. Yeah, co-work cleaned up my desktop for me. Solomon, welcome. Alright, we're gonna give this a code name of lab-rats. Okay, here we are. Are we connected here? I guess not. Don't worry guys, we're gonna get going here. We're gonna get started. Nice and easy. What's up, man? I was watching the stream. You were number one. Oh, on BridgeMind stream. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's get Claude running here. we're gonna start a brand new project. What I want you to first do is make a private repo on GitHub and call it lab-rats, and this will be the folder we're in. So go ahead and initialize the folder, or the repo rather. It was a long stream too. Yeah, I didn't really tune in much to the stream because I was really busy, but trying to get ready for the demo. For some reason my AC is just not working today. Alright. I think I fixed it on my phone. Alright, it's initialized. Lab rats. Okay, I want you to read the LabRats GDD and get an understanding of what we're trying to create. And it's in the 80s rough. Are we losing messages again in the chat? I mean, what are you talking about, Bob? Oh, it's in the 80s. Oh yeah, the AC, the temperature. Yeah, well, no, I think the AC is working. It's just that it keeps going into like eco mode. Okay, I want you to create a new MD file, or create a folder that will hold epics, and create an epic file for each inside of it that will hold tickets, and everything inside that GDD file, we need to make sure there's a ticket for every single thing inside of it. Placed in the corresponding epic. We need, in each ticket, we need to have a user story, acceptance criteria, blockers, and dependencies. Yeah, I think it is working. It's just it keeps turning off. So let's see if it. I turned that home away assist off, so maybe that I think that's gonna fix it. Plus, we're cooking something in the oven, and I got this nice lava lamp here, so it's warming things up. The lava lamp is a little cloudy, plus it's hard to see on this camera, but we'll get there. Hey Quad, good job on your presentation, bro. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Kai, the editor, glad to see you here. Lava lamps are like little heaters too. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's warming it up. Yeah, this is gonna be cool once we kind of get this project up and running. This project here, it's going to be more community focused, and people, you know, I think the community is going to really enjoy this project specifically, because they're going to be able to like be inside of it, play it, you know, and feel like they're building something up. Bro had the glasses and stuff ready. I was like, here comes the heat. Yeah, man, gotta go hard. We should have put the vibe goggles on right now. I didn't want to put the lab coat back on because, like I said, it was getting hot in here. Oh, look, he says, I'll launch 5 agents in parallel to write all 15 epic files simultaneously. Well, alright. Toot it and boot it. Let's see. Epics. He hasn't written anything yet. Plus, I don't know why I'm drinking this hot tea. It's all good though. Also drinking a root beer. Yeah, so anybody that doesn't know, haha, because you asked for it. Yep, I did ask for the tea. So is anybody that doesn't know, this project we're starting now, it's called Lab Rats, and it's going to be a game that we could play, a multiplayer game. I've been kind of designing the idea for the past couple weeks. You know, every few days or so I'll get like a new thought about it and how we can like improve it. So just been kind of building it up a little bit. But I don't think we're gonna spend like very much time on the plan, because the plan has already been done. But like with QwickCert and other projects, we went back and forth with Codex. And you got your console ready? You want to play on the console? You could play on the console. I think we'll be able to get it working on the console. I'm not really sure. I have no idea. We'll have to find out. What was I saying now? Oh yeah, the plan. We're not gonna like with QwickCert. Like we went back and forth. Like, all right, Clyde, look at the plan. Like, tell me what's wrong and fix it, and like, you know, figure it all out. And then we did the same thing with Codex and said, hey, Codex, like, improve. We're not gonna do that. I already, you know, told, because it's more of a creative project than a technical project, and I went through the creative process already. So we're just gonna let it rip. And we will just iterate. So, alright, this agent, I don't know if it's just showing one agent at a time. But we are going to create the tickets. And we're going to use our Kanban board to work on them. How did the presentation on Bridgemind go? Missed it. What did you present? What did Matt say? Matthew, he liked it. I presented QwickCert. So this is QwickCert, QwickCert.dev. You can go there now and take a look at it. If you are a developer for Windows and you're going to be releasing apps, then this is the app for you. This is going to help you set up your Azure digital artifact signing, and help you manage your API keys and sign all the apps and everything for you. We have special founders pricing right now too. So yeah, the demo went very well. Everyone said it was really great. People seem to like my demos on there, so yeah. But you could check out the website. I'll put it in the side chat. If you're a Windows developer, you can look at our security posture. There's a white page on it as well, and kind of see how the system works. So. But right now we're just taking a little break from that, and we're going to be kind of working on something fun, and we're going to start building a game today. Let's actually, maybe we can change the title of the stream a little bit. Vibing a game. Does that work for a title? You think the haters will still come in and say, "Oh, this game is slop. It's a sloppy game." Like, do you think the haters will still care if we're vibing a game? Python, great demo today. Thanks, man. Appreciate you being there, watching it, supporting. Will the haters still hate? Yes. We had some good haters though. You always have criticism, don't mind them, stay positive. They just like to troll because they don't have your talent. Aww. Thank you so much. Claude's been going for 9 minutes here. Looks like he's on Epic 6. I thought he was gonna unlock 5 parallel agents to do this. Dude yesterday wasn't criticizing, he was just hating. Yeah, he was, but I mean, he wasn't as bad as others, I suppose. I disarmed him with my charm. Maybe. I mean, I don't think he had any arms to begin with. I've seen armless men with more arms than he had. Alright, the AC still says 73. No, it says 77. Why does it say I'm away? I am home. I'm not away. Okay, I think let's see what happens. Who knows? Epics. Alright, okay, now there's 3 agents running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, they say they're running, but I can't see the files here. Maybe they are there. It's just not updating. Oh yes, here we go. 6 epics. Combat system. Let's just take a look at this. Oh man, there's gonna be a lot of tickets in this system. I could already tell. This epic has 18 tickets. Dungeon structure generation. This one has 15 tickets. Project setup seems pretty small. 8 tickets, not bad. Oops. Deception tickets. Loadout system, loop system, boss encounters. I mean, a game
Someone
might...
just subscribed.
Someone just subscribed. Thanks for subscribing. A game, I mean, this might be the most complex thing we've vibe coded yet. Let's just be honest. Yeah, we're just gonna let it rip and just see what it builds, and then if it builds it completely wrong in the wrong framework, we'll just refactor the whole thing. It should be fine, right? Games are fun to vibe code. I think you've got to build them incrementally and steer them though. Yeah. Well, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna let it rip on this initial piece and then see what happens. And we'll iterate from there. What am I gonna do while that works? We're just gonna hang out and play some of this. I mean, I'm gonna have to spawn the ticket, so I mean, I'll still be here. I'll still have to do that until I work on my agent orchestration. Don't worry, soon enough we won't have to play this. We'll be playing the Dr. Vibe Lab Rats incremental game. I bet if I leave this on my screen, I just play this, people will come into the stream and think this is the game we're vibe coding. Alright, Epic 10, 11, 12. And sorry guys, I got some dinner. I have to eat on stream, otherwise, when will I eat? Bob leaves me all the time to go eat. Hey man, I'm new here. Can you tell me what you're working on right now? Yeah, well, we are just waiting for our agents in the background to finish writing our plans. They're writing all the tickets for this game we're about to start vibe coding. And as soon as it's done writing those out, we're gonna start letting it rip. So here, I'll show you a little bit. This is what it's working on right now. It's making all these epic files, and each one of them holds different systems, like the death ghost system. Okay, the death and ghost system. Ghost state is active gameplay, not spectating. This covers critical state, downed, teammate revive, ghost state transition, all 4 ghost abilities. Haunt, power conduits, mark threats, whisper, ghost self-revive, death economy, total party wipe, and ghost deception logging. And then it has different tickets saying exactly what those tickets are, or what that feature is. So it's just about done here. We have 15 of those epics. And then we're gonna have our AI agents just go and tackle every one of them. But yes, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the lab. Maisel AI, I was just waiting for my 5-hour window to refresh. Just hit continue. Feel like, yeah, feel like a dog now. All right, every ticket now has a user story. All right, should we ask either Claude or Codex to double check that, or should we just let it rip? The first person to answer, I'll do that in the chat. So double check or let it rip. Bob says check. Okay. This is vibe coding. Let it rip. I mean, to be fair, Bob, Mazel, he might have came a little late. Oh, you're so easy to sway, Bob. Not in a bad way though. In a good way. All right. You're for the people. Let's just do it. All right, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna change our model to Sonnet. Oh wait, model Sonnet. What was I on? High effort. I want you to go through each epic file one by one and add each epic to the quadcode epic system. And then I want you to add every ticket to the respective epic and make sure you have the fields in the right spot. So user stories to the description, acceptance criteria in the acceptance criteria, and then make sure we go back and assign the blockers and dependencies appropriately. Have you made any games, vibe coded any games, Bob? Or anybody else in the chat? The AC still says 77. I don't know if it's working. I might have to get a fan. Alright, so what it's doing now, guys, is it's going through each of those files I showed you and creating these epics in the quadcode system. So unfortunately this screen doesn't update automatically, but as I switch back and forth you can see, so we're at 13, it's about to be 15. 15. I've coded 2 games, functional but not complete. Okay. Mazel coded, I vibe coded my entire product but not a game. Good, good. Well, we're gonna vibe code a game together here. Oh, there's a Narrow Pathfinder's suggestion, get a lava lamp. We could check that off the list. Okay, now we are creating our issues. I think it's gonna go back and add the blockers later. Vibe coding games is like playing a factory game in itself. Okay, good. It is kind of like that. Is it going to be a Steam game or a web game? I think a little bit of both, maybe. It's going to be a Dr. Vibe game. Like, it's going to be in the Dr. Vibe ecosystem. I think. So like, so there's an incremental part throughout the week, and that's where your Dr. Vibe will be doing experiments. Will people play entirely in the browser? I think they'll play just in the browser, yeah.
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, thanks for subscribing. Are you a dev or just vibe coding all the way through? Well, could you be a dev and vibe code all the way through? Is that an option? Let's see, we're on Epic 5 of these tickets. There's a lot of tickets in this game. In this spec. Yeah, it's good. This is the biggest spec we've done so far. How many tickets do your specs usually get, Bob? If we would have checked it, we would not be coding tonight, I feel like. Hi, what's up? What's up, Peter? Not much, man. We shipped the QwickCert app today. And then yeah, we shipped it today, and now we are taking a little break and working on starting a game, building a game out. All right, we're a little bit of a third of the way through. We're already at 75 tickets. Manvin, bro, before code, do I have to learn all the DSA or just go through topic wise? I'm not all the DSA. Gotta help me a little bit with these acronyms, guys. Are you vibe coding, Manvin? Manvin? Correct me with your names too. Is quad code something you made for yourself? Don't know about this. Yeah, quad code is something I've made for myself, but I'll be releasing it pretty soon. I did say when I hit 500 subscribers is kind of when I'll do it, but it probably will happen a little bit sooner than that. You know, when I get my new website up and running, that's when we'll start working on releasing that. Data structures and algorithms to code. That's just for interviews. Yes. Yeah, I agree with Bob. That's just for interviews. Well, Quad Code, I mean, it does a lot of different things, but you know, I'm able to like move these windows around and split them up and have different, you know, different terminals where I want them. And there's different tools like this Kanban board where we'll be able to move our tickets across and spawn our agents. You're going to see that very soon here, actually, what that kind of looks like. But we have a lot of different tools that we can kind of spawn out and bring them to any place that we need them. We got our GitHub built in. Yeah, a lot of different things.
Peter
Someone
Molinar
just
3636 pulls the slot machine.
Nice, somebody subscribed, and Peter pulled the slot. 2 cherries and a pizza. Looking forward to this. I love to beta test it in case you ever need. Okay. Yeah, man, stick around. We'll be here for sure. Join the Discord. Probably the best way to stay in touch. Or, well, subscribe and be in the chats. Yeah, but once the waitlist is up on the website, you know, you'll know if you're watching the stream. I haven't streamed any of it, but I put like a lot of work into rebuilding my entire website, and yeah, it's gonna be very nice. Thank you, Maisel, for subscribing. Oh, there it is. Subscribed. We'll join the Discord. Credits, how much? The credits are free if you're trying to pull the you know, prize wheel over there. Just type !pull. Okay, we are on Epic 10 of 15. I guess we're not that bad. We're only at 112 tickets so far. $25 people watching. Hey guys, go ahead and like the stream too. That way YouTube knows that you like it and will recommend it to other developers and vibe coders and business people that want to start businesses, because that's what we're about.
No so normal just subscribed.
Not so normal. That's you, Maisel, right? I see you. In a sense, it's funny how we all build tools that suit our workflows and style best. On the other hand, we're often reinventing the wheel. No offense meant, I do it myself as well. Yeah. Sometimes we are reinventing the wheel, but sometimes we do things we enjoy, and that's why we do them. Won't Sonnet just hallucinate the crap out of all this context? No, I think it's gonna do fine. I'm gonna be going to Opus whenever I start implementing these tickets. But Sonnet will probably be fine too, to be honest. Let's see what our usage is though, because I don't want to. Oh no, our usage resets at 11 p.m. That means I didn't vibe code anything. Wait, that means we reset at 6. We literally just reset. That's not good. Maybe we will use Sonnet, actually. What do you guys think? Sonnet? Should we use Sonnet? I do have some extra usage, I think. Which plan am I'm on? I'm on the $200 plan a month.
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, new subscriber. Thank you guys. Man, we're really trying to get to that 400 subscriber goal, announcement goal. Guys can't wait to see what we got, can you? Do people even see that up there? Just kidding. I know they see it. I know. Really trying to get there though today, huh? That's what it feels like. It's possible. 29 subscribers. That'll probably be our best day. I think in one day, 29 subscribers. What are you coding exactly? Well, right now we are coding, we haven't started coding yet, but we are about to start coding a game. So right now we're building out all of our tickets, and then we're going to start spawning agents and just start cranking them out. I think we still need to go back and set the dependencies on all these tickets. Generate some concept art for the game so new folks can look at something. Okay. Yeah, we can do that while some of these agents are running. We'll do that with ChatGPT. So here's the game spec. All right, I want you to generate 8 different prompts that I can use to generate concept art for this game. Those prompts should be descriptive, and I'm going to pass them into another. I'm going to pass them into ChatGPT to generate the images for me. Make the different concepts like, you know, throughout the whole game design. Don't just pick one thing. Like really showcase.
At Mazel I pulls the slot machine.
Mazel I, as the thing says. Nice try. You got grape, orange, cherry. Hi, why tickets first? Can you explain? Yeah, no worries. Mohammed, how you doing, man? We are just we had this entire spec file right here that described our entire game that we built out with Claude. This is the design, and then we're building the tickets to build all the whole game. Does Claude code make a huge difference, or raw Claude code is enough? Claude code. I mean, raw Claude is just as good. Is definitely enough. Claude code just helps me manage things a little bit better. You're gonna see in a minute here when we actually start spawning some of these things, kind of like my workflow, at least when I get started. Chab, what's up? 007, how's it going, man? All right. All right, do you think these prompts will be enough to generate the art by themselves if I just send only that single prompt into a new conversation with no context? Yeah, doing great. How you doing? Doing good over here, guys. Glad you guys are all in the chat with us today. It's always fun starting a new project. And I said it earlier, I think you guys are gonna like this one because this is a game, and it's a community game. Like, this game won't be possible without a community. Okay, it says it created all these, but let's see. Dependencies none. And if we go here, dependencies 001. Okay, good.
Someone just subscribed.
subscribed.
Machine.
Hey, thanks for subscribing. I think we had 2 subscribers there. Who was that? Rowoff? You guys gotta help me with your names, man. Put the pronunciations in the chats. Nice try though. 2 cherries and a lemon. Is it a multiplayer game, or does the community have to contribute to its creation in some way? No, I think that would be cool if we can have the community contribute. Definitely contribute your ideas. But it is a multiplayer game, and the way it kind of works is let's see if we can actually do this. Hold on. It's a incremental game that you play during the week that unlocks stuff on Fridays when we have game night. And on game night we'll be able to play together. Dependencies 001. I don't think that's correct. Blocked by. That didn't do that correctly, I don't think. Let's correct that. I need you to review each ticket one by one that's in the Kanban board, and find the epic and ticket inside of the epics folder in the file, and assign the blockers and dependencies for that ticket appropriately so we can see if any of them are blocked. Pull grouping the tickets don't try to pull all the tickets at once, because you're gonna run out of context for that. There's currently 164 tickets. You're really paranoid to push anything AI generated into production. I mean, in Claude we trust, man. In Claude we trust. You know, just test it. Have AI review it. Super Rocky says, I mean, it codes, review, and tests make the code independent to be tested independently. Sure. Yeah, if you can write tests independently, you know, that's the best way to do it. You know, if you're gonna write a whole, you know, API middleware, make sure you can write your tests individually, make sure they all pass before you push to production or push any changes. I mean, it's good advice, but I can't say I do it all the time or ever. It's very rare, I'd say, for me, at least right now at the speed I'm working. All right, let's. I think that's gonna start working for us.
At Muhammad Ashif 8158 pulls the slot machine.
Nice try, Mohammed. Been thinking about trying out Claude with $20 subscription. Is it worth it for what it provides? It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna give you about 1 hour's worth of vibe coding with one terminal, I'd say. Yeah, so it depends how much you're trying to code, how much you're trying to achieve. I think it's worth it to, you know, it's a trial account, basically, is the way I look at it. Try Banana 2 for images is my go-to. Okay. How about what we'll do is we'll do the first prompt in Nano Banana 2. I think, let's see, try Nano. And then we'll try it in ChatGPT also. Alright, Claude's still working back here. Alright, let's try this prompt. For instance, I was working on this front end for a EDU app, and AI Gen Chat tool use was not proper with GPT. So instead, better tool definition. Claude just decided it's better to implement a error catch mechanism into the token stream function. and a tool use fails with regex detections, it'll retry with tools disabled. I mean, is that a problem? I don't know if I understand the whole app, to be honest, but all right, here's the first concept art. What do you guys think of that? It's interesting. Looks like we got a melee guy, heavy machine gun guy, dual wield pistols, sniper slash battle rifle. Yeah, I don't know what the game is going to look like, but this is good. It's good art. Okay, here's ChatGPT's concept. All right, now I have everything I need. All right, good. Keep doing it. What is engines is it gonna be built in? I don't know. I think Godot is what we have. Let's see. Let's check our plan here. Project setup. Let's search Godot. No. It's React. Colissus game server. Okay. Looks fun. Yep. What? Nano Banana was better. All right. Let's let's do number 2. Now the question is, should I do number 2 in the same chat or in a different chat? Well, I'll do the same chats to start, and then we can decide if we want something else. In August, I used LLMs to make a game in Godot, and it worked well, except for sometimes the LLM breaks scenes, so have good sandbox control. Yeah, I think actually I looked at Godot, and it didn't seem like it was going to be the best fit for AI to develop it, so I think I just went with a React native app. I think. I don't know. I'm just letting it rip, man. Alright, check this guy out. So this is look at this. So it's cool that the same guys are on this one as well. Is it the same here? I guess in the first one they all kind of look the same. But okay, they have different pickups. Oh yeah, lightning, shield, hazard. So you're playing as these lab rats. Well, you guys just let your mind explore, you know. Here, let's do another one. I wonder how many of these I get on Nano Banana. It looks like a child's game. Well, just wait until the game we get with Claude. Let's see what Claude's gonna come up with. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Oh, geez, look at that guy down there. and he's a ghost, and he can still help. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, this one's interesting too. Nano Banana is so much better. Yeah, makes sense. The difference is that LLMs aren't great at using containers and such. They prioritize using pure code to generate and do things instead. Have you watched this cartoon called SWAT Cats? You may get some ideas from it for your game. No, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen a cartoon like that. Is that an old cartoon or a new cartoon? It used Rust plus Bevy. I think the stack that I chose was just mostly so people can play on their phones as well. Because there's one person in particular that wants to play on their phone. It's a very old cartoon. SWAT Cat. I'll look it up on my other screen. Oh yeah, this is an old one.
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, thanks for subscribing. Alright, cool. Every tick in the Kanban board now has its blocked by set. So 01 blocks those four. Alright, perfect. This is what we need. Man, I should have spent time and updated quad code. But whatever. Oh. Let's go to Claude here. Here's a SWAT cat. I think I remember this when I was a kid. You're like very old. This is like the 90s, isn't it? Come on, man. It's not that old. 1993. It's my era. Hey, thanks for subscribing, whoever subscribed. Appreciate you. Alright, before we do anything, let's check our model. So, Sonnet on high effort, I think is what we're going to do. We're going to leave it on that. Let's see, and work issue, okay. Alright, so yes, check this part of the check this part of the game out, guys. What do you think? Okay, honestly, I think ChatGPT, like this version, is not that bad for this part of the game. Like, it's not that bad. Can you see kind of what's going on though? Make the image model generate multi-angle isolated images of the persistent assets like those hero characters and guns to maintain consistency. This sounds like too much work, I'm gonna be honest. I think when we want to start actually like generating real concept art, I think we'll do something like that. But right now we're just kind of spending time while we kind of get the project rolling and kind of like showing you guys a little bit what the game might look like. Ready to deploy. Okay. Definitely an interesting part of the game, right? Try a prompt to Grok for fun. So when people say Grok, like just go on X and like prompt X like this here, or like do I have to go somewhere else? Like, can I just do this? Oh yeah, look at that. Huh, I didn't know. So that's... See, ChatGPT is very consistent too, though, in its styles. I think it just started off in a bad style, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, because like here you can see like Gemini, it started off strong, like okay, these three characters match. Here though, the characters, it loses the characters and they're just, yeah, the rats are not like looted up, but then when they are looted up, they're just like kind of different rats. Let's look at this. I mean, like, look at that rat. He's just like in scraps. Maybe that's normal. Maybe that's what it's supposed to look like.
At Mohammed Ashif, someone just subscribed. Pulls the slot machine.
Somebody just subscribed, and Muhammad's really trying to win that jackpot today, guys. By the way, if you don't know, if you pull the slot machine and you get 3 pizzas, then you win a pizza gift card. Okay, you're going to win pizza. Parik says that Maisel wants a politically correct rat. Here, this is what Grok came up with. This is this one, I believe, this prompt, where it's like the boss fight, kinda. Or is it a boss fight? I'm not really sure. It's definitely interesting, to say the least. Alright. All right, next steps, run PN. Okay, we don't have to do all that right now, I don't think. We got 3 tickets we're working. Yeah, so you guys that are kind of new, this is kind of how I you know, I've been starting the last couple projects, building all these tickets out, and just going in here and starting them. So like these, I have 3 tickets I'm working on right here. I have 102, 103, and 104. So 104 here is still in the backlog, but Claude's gonna
pulls the slot machine.
Nice try. Claude's gonna move it from the backlog to working in a moment here. And what I'll do is when they're finished, like this next one, 105, so when is blocked by 104. So when 104 is done, I'll be able to come in here and click work on ticket. So that's kind of our process right now. That's what we're going to be waiting for. Let's see now though. I'm going to keep generating these prompts, and then what we'll do is we will go back. Oh, I guess let's generate this one too. We'll go back and I'll tell you what all the titles of the prompts are, and then maybe you can get an idea of what the prompt or what the game's about. Mazel needs pizza. So this is a game of mice and man. Yeah. Be prepared. Art and assets are going to be a whole ordeal. Yeah, I mean, I did buy a subscription to this website, Pixel Lab. I don't know if you guys seen it, but it looks pretty good. It uses AI, and I was testing it with Dr. Vibe. So here's what Dr. Vibe did. I mean, it is definitely going to be some work. Let me show you what it did with Dr. Vibe. So I passed in the original Dr. Vibe, and I said he is a lizard man with a tail and wings, and this is what it came up with. It updated Dr. Vibe to look like this. Okay, and if you don't know Dr. Vibe because you're new, that's fine. This is Dr. Vibe. He's actually on the banner. This guy right here, I can't make it bigger. This guy right here on the banner, that's Dr. Vibe. So this Pixel Labs, I mean, used AI to modify that, and then I said, make him wear a red lab coat with a gold ore around him, and that worked. Grok is trained on Elon's dreams. Could be, oh, comfy UI could be good for game assets. Okay, we'll have to look at that. But yeah, look at this. Like, you can put in a concept picture and get a pixel art kind of guy out of it. And then there's also like a loop thing. Like, okay, editing and true in painting, like, you know, you change the style or like the armor and stuff. Make your characters move. So yeah, it's gonna be an ordeal. That's the truth. But we'll see. We'll see. All right, so these are all in QA. We're just gonna call them done. You know, we don't have time to do QA on them. We have 100 and how many tickets? It's quite interesting, yeah. I thought it was too. Wish it worked for Dr. Vibe for what I really wanted it for, but it's fine. Alright, let's take a look here. Huh. What are you guys thinking? on streams. Okay, that's running. Gotta go. Good luck with this one. I'll check back when I'm awake. All right, Peter. Thanks for checking in with us like you normally do, man. Have a good rest. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. This is interesting. Alright, so do you guys want to hear some of the prompts that were used? At least the titles. This one here is called Combat Rats in the Lab. Okay, well, that's pretty obvious. And then we have the hub. Who do you trust? This one is Ghost State, the spirit rat. Then we have Dr. Vibe's Lab, the idle game. Boss Encounter, the specimen. Alright, this one is called the Loop Vote. Push or run. This one is the Saboteur Reveal. And this one, the Scale of It All, Rats in a Human World. Rat Among Us, could be, could be. Is the incremental part of it planned out? Yep, it is. So all those prompts were based on the Claude chat that I used to design it. Oh, Tori 2.0 Android build and iOS build. Uh-oh. Mobile HUD and virtual joystick zones. I guess we are doing Android here in iOS. We're doing everything, man. So for some reason, this one ticket blocks everything. It blocks almost every 204, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Basically all of our second epic. Yeah, actually 14 to 15. No, 17. 18. Oh, this one's done actually. We're ready for that one. 18. Keegan, Scott, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Alright, that unblocked 107. Browser development, Vercel/Cloudflare. Game server hosting, fly.io/railway. What genre game are you building? Oh man, it's gonna have a little bit of everything. All my favorites in it. It's gonna have an incremental game. Well, this is not the game. This is just a game I'm playing right now. But it's gonna have incremental game in it, like this. It's gonna have roguelite aspects. It's gonna have a deception style to it. It's gonna be multiplayer. Just a little bit of everything, you know?
At I Keegan Scott pulls the slot machine.
Nice try, I Keegan. Very cool, good work. I appreciate that. But we still have a lot of work ahead of us. I mean, we only just now started. We have 150 tickets to run through before we can even start. Like, well, we could probably start running it before that, but looks like page 15 or epic 15 are not really part of the game. Community beta testing framework, player management tools. I mean, those are things we need, but not to actually run it. All right, I gotta put you guys on hold for just a second, and then go ahead and listen to this song. What should humans do while Claude is cooking? Are we going to become like Wall-E? Like what? We're gonna be like floating around in floating chairs, drinking soda and fast food. All right, what?
At PythCon pulls the slot
PythCon,
machine.
nice try. Let's see what song we're gonna listen to here. All right, I'll be right back, guys.
Logic. Logic. Bible logic. Logic. Bible logic. Code it, build it, push it, ship it, clone it, branch it, merge it, rip it, prompt it, vibe it, stream it, live it, debug it, fix it, save it, commit it, deploy it, host it, scale it, post it, share it, hype it, love it, toast it, script it, test it, launch it, flex it, ship it, next it, never rest it. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Start it, plan it, grind it, scan it, build it, brand it, quads lab, ran it, hack it, track it, stack it, pack it, stream it, dream it, theme it, back it, rate it, made it, played it, slayed it, Discord, YouTube, never delayed it, prompted, clawed it, vibe it, loud it, quad H did it, tell the whole crowd it. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Lab rats rise up, ship it, never give up. Code it, build it, vibe it. Quaz lab, we live it. Sketch it, draft it, craft it, laugh it, film it, clip it, edit, graph it, type it, hype it, light it, mic it, Friday stream it, yeah they like it, earn it, learn it, burn it, turn it, ship the app and let them confirm it, Quad H built it, never guilt it, vibe code dreaming, fully fulfilled it. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Bible logic. Logic. Build it. Logic. Code it. Code it. Ship it. Vibe it. Quads Lab forever. Code it. Viable logic. Logic. Viable logic. Yeah.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that little intermission. All right. We're about to spawn 15 agents here. You guys ready for this? If we lock this and we go here, 204. Oh, nice. It goes right down there. That's perfect, actually. 205. 206. 207. 208. 9. Oh no, 9 we need... No, that's 10. 11? Oh no, we need 217. Can we work 217 in parallel? Oh, we are working 217. Alright, once 217 is done, it unlocks 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So once this one's done, it unlocks 5 tickets for us. Yeah, we're building a game. We're starting one at least. Oh, there's 217. So that unlocks 10 to 15 for us, alright? Remember that, guys. Here's 10. Boom. 11. Boom. 12. Boom. 13. Boom. 14. Floor layout system. Alright, so we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 14. We got 14 terminals running. Do I have Gemini Ultra sub? No, I don't. I just have Claude Code right now, the $200 plan. How are you doing though, Super Combo? Good to see you in the chat. $401. Can we search this? 402. Good. 402. 403. 403 is blocked by a lot. 205 gave no blockers. It finally started to cool off. It went down 2 degrees in the house. Chillin', just working like always. Sent a DM in Discord. That's what I'm working on today. I'll check it out. Alright, 204 is done. Doesn't unblock anything though for us. Alright, Combo, I see you. Good work. Parasadum Samvanchi. 6920. I am building a game right now. We're kickstarting the project right now today. So at the moment we have 15 agents running to kind of run through our tickets to kind of demolish it. Bought the domain names months ago, figured I'll put something up. Yeah, I have a couple domain names we could put something up too. They're just sitting out there. So what we should do one stream is just see what domain names we have and then just build something on it. Heading to bed, 12:30 a.m. here. Maisel. Alright man, good night. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you around. See you in the Discord. Okay, blocks, 809, 304, 304, 305. This 304 is blocked by a lot. Really need to update quad code to 413 to make it so I can just see things that are not blocked. That would make it a lot more efficient, I'd say. Add an auto button that will just do it automatically based on the dependency tree. Yeah, it's on the list. It is definitely on the list. Along with all of our other things that we need to fix. Not fix, but add. Hey bro, where are you from? I'm from Florida, Mr. Entrepreneur. What about you? Where are you from? All right, 303 to 308.
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, thanks for subscribing. You're from India, nice. Tampa Bay combo. Mean Vader, hello, good luck. By the way, whoever just subscribed, thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate you guys. Bro, could you just tell me what you are doing? Yeah, I mean, we are starting a new project today. We are starting a game. We're going to be developing a game. Basically, each one of these at the bottom is a Claude terminal. There's just way too many of them to like really show. Like each one of these little boxes down here is a different Claude terminal that's working. Basically, we're just going through all the tickets and having Claude build out the entire game for us. And then we're going to come back and iterate on it. How's your CPU and memory with all those Claudes? Let's see. CPU's at 52 Celsius right now.
Mr. Anonymous just subscribed.
Mr. Anonymous in the yellow suit. We got 43 gigs of memory. CPUs, I mean, this CPU is pretty beast. I mean, I don't, you know, not really gonna worry about that too much. Unless I'm like video processing or something. 212 and 214. Yeah, those 2 tickets are important. There's 214 done for us. Bye, bro. I'll be back again after gym. All right, man. Good
Someone
to
just
see you.
subscribed.
Thanks for subscribing. What's on the agenda? Dog Dad, welcome, man. Well, we released QwickCert earlier today. We demoed it on the BridgeMine live stream, and you know it's out there. Right now, we are building, we're starting a new project. We're building a game. We're just taking a little break, you know, getting a new project started. $10:02. Any signups yet? We had a couple people sign up to the site. Not paying customers yet, though, of course. Do you use GPT for the UI on the site? I use Claude. Yeah, pretty much all Claude. Did you like the site super combo? You like the way it looked? It's a pretty basic site. Alright, let's see if we could work on those. 309. Not yet. 1203. Let's check our usage. Okay, so Opus is going up. I'm not sure why. Thought we changed the Sonnet, but apparently we're coding in Opus. It's not terrible. High effort? I don't think so. I'll check. I mean, so far we've done 34 tickets. So. And what, we were at like 9% before we even worked on any tickets, so it's not that bad. But after one of these ends, I will check what model and everything that's on. Oh yeah, it does say it's on. This one is on Sonnet. It's on Sonnet High Effort. And I didn't do that by accident. I did that on purpose. Just to see what happens. I'm eating those violet candies, Bob. They're so addicting to me. I can't stop. This is gonna be a fun one. Procedural dungeon generation engine. No, I'm only halfway through the box. I usually, it doesn't start bleeding until like 75%, so. I got like 2 more to be halfway. That's right. Seems like backlog plus unblocked. Seems to me like to do should equal backlog plus unblocked. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's on. That's on the backlog of fixing it. It's in here, trust me. We need to filter files on no refresh file no. Should be able to right click the file browser. A lot of things on the file browser. We need a filter for not blocked by anything right there on the Kanban board. On February 19th is when we put that up. It's been two and a half weeks, almost 3 weeks. That's what your bone system does. Is your bone system MIT, Bob? I could just steal it from you? Just kidding. That's not the right word. Stealing is not the right word. Shouldn't it just move to the do lane on its own? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I don't see why it wouldn't. Rather than just filter. Yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't. Improve it. Improve it. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just I'll have Claude actually, maybe I should make an MCP server for that, and he'll just download all the IDE reports and just improve all the features. Man, we got a lot of subs today so far. We're at 379. We're only 21 away from the big announcement at sub 4 or the 400 sub goal announcement. 21 away. Have you seen the voice mode that just rolled out? I just updated Claude. I saw that some Kaz said that somebody made a plugin that looked like it was from Anthropic, but it wasn't from them. Is there now an official one? I will probably still use my own system though. Alright, finally this ticket's done. This was a big one, I think. What was built? Okay, good. Good job. Good job, Claude. Very good work, Claude. Very good work. Just update native Claude and it says type /voice to enable it. Did you type it? Tell us what happens. Got the basis of triage stuff from Jeff Emanuel's Bones Viewer project. Okay. And that, I assume since yours is MIT, that's MIT. It's all MIT. Blocks 409 and 602. All right, 41 tickets done out of 123. Your trigger is to hold space to dictate. I mean, if you want a TUI, we will release Abe at some point. And Abe does have a TUI. Here is the Abe. Oh. Oh. We'll have to recompile the TUI later. Well, technically we didn't go over the game doc. What we did instead was went over concept art. We can review that. So here's the first concept art. Which one of these rats give PythCon vibes? I'm trying to think. I'm leaning towards the guy with the battle rifle, I think. Oh. Dog Dad is the one that actually said it, though. Well, that is still what I think. This one has PythCon vibes. If I had to pick one for Dog Dad, I'd probably say the machine gun over here. Or the melee guy. Alright. There you go, Dog Dad. Alright, let's look at the next one for you. Let's, alright, our agents are still running. What do you think of this one? You don't look too happy over here. Again, you don't look happy. An XL bully. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe there'll be some type of mutation. Part dog, part rat. I wonder if extra thinking is too much now, especially since we're so far into the tickets. 313. Okay, 315, 501. Alright, we're about to have a lot of tickets that are going to be ready to work. This will be interesting to see. Haven't done much game development. The concept art looks media rich. Will be 3D rather than 2D sprites. I think it'll be 2D sprites. Just because I don't know anything about 3D anything. I feel like maybe 2D might be more my realm. Maybe AI can generate 2D. We already have a website that can do 2D pretty well. We think, at least. Let's see, 302, 902. All right, here we go. 6 tickets to start. (801), 707, 705, 704, 3, and 2. All right, we're cooking, guys. We're cooking. We still have 97 backlogged. Is that correct? Jeez, I guess we still do have 97 backlogged. Is it gonna be spicy? I think it's gonna be spicy. Only Claude would tell. All right, here we got 13 agents running. Let's see what our performance looks like now. It's not bad. Combo bulating. Let's see if we have any of those out here. There it is, combo bulating right there. This one's just doing. Boogieing, honking, improvising, gusting, pondering. Here's how what I'm doing now, guys, though. When a ticket's done, I'm just putting the ticket number in the search. And if I search like this here ticket, 1205, if I search 1205, okay, no tickets have 1205 as a blocker. So when that one's done, there's nothing will be unblocked. Let's see this 902, nothing. 801. Okay, when 801's done, a couple things. This one becomes unblocked. Move that over there. So 501. Yes, 501 has all these ready. So we can mark that done. And we're gonna just rip them. 506. 505. 504. 3. Smart workflow, even without the automation, is effective. What do you think would help improve the workflow? Just automating it. Just like auto runner up here. You know, if I'm blocked, run, and maybe like a limiter, like, you know, max 20 clods at a time. What interface are you on? This is my custom program called Quad Code. It's not released yet, but I said previously when I get to 500 subscribers, I'll be releasing it. But you know, we'll see. You know, we'll see if it happens sooner. Okay, so let's see. We got all these tickets down. 1205, so we could just mark that done. 902, mark it done. $15 in progress. It's definitely gonna be like interesting to see like how much of a game this becomes. Like when we're done with all these tickets. Looks sick. Thanks. Okay, alright. 45. Welcome, by the way. Glad you're here. Okay, these ones we can just start immediately. What there should be is when terminals are started from the Kanban board to work on issues, there should be an option to auto close those terminals. Oh, what the world? There we go. All right, we saved that issue. We'll come back to it. I mentioned this to Bridge today, but you should check out Sea Lion UI for inspiration. Maybe I liked it much because it was refreshing to see a IDE that didn't look like VS Code. Yeah, I like this. This doesn't look like VS Code, I don't think. Let me look at it though. Sea Lion. Oh wait, JetBrains. Their video is like, doesn't even show it. Sea Lion does look like it does look like VS Code. I'm not sure. I think it does look like it, doesn't it? Oh man, oh, so we had 163 tickets? $15 agents working at the moment. So this counts as a swarm, right? Or no? When does it become a swarm? When they talk to each other? You think it's a swarm? Yeah. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. I'm bringing home a baby quad IDE. Yeah, it's a swarm. Dog Dad says so. I'm bringing home a quad IDE. Won't Dog Dad be so proud of me? Yeah, I'm the coordinator and reviewer. Well, technically I'm not reviewing, but we'll figure that out later. Makes me wonder if my swarm stuff is useless. I mean, okay. We should just have a coordinator for like QA. That's it. Like if it gets put into QA, then a different agent can automatically pick it up, review the notes that the agent put on there that did the work, and then come back and be like, yeah, it looks good. And then have it moved to done. And then it can move the, yeah, here, let's write that as a note. There should be some type of auto coordinator. When a ticket moves into QA, a different agent picks it up and reviews the notes and acceptance criteria and QAs the ticket and then moves it into done. Once it moves it into done, any tickets that become fully unblocked should move into the to-do. But I can let my swarm run overnight across multiple projects and it will update auto triage and stuff. Ah, that's cool. To be honest, thinking about it further, I don't know why people think these agents need to talk to each other. Yeah, I don't know why they need to talk to each other. Yeah, I mean, QwickCert was built with this, you know, and like, really, we built out QwickCert like 2 weeks ago using this, and then we didn't touch it at all. We didn't even try to run it, and then we came back, and all we did was try to run it. We had to fill in the API keys, and like fix like, you know, a couple runtime bugs, but it was good. Like there wasn't much. Alright, 12, oh, 403, how nice. $404, 405, 406, 407, 408, and 9, 410, alright, that's all for now, I think. 411, 507, 1403, that's it. .606. Nope, nope. 506. $313. $605. All right. We're letting it rip. Let's see, what are you guys talking about over here? Taught my agents to talk to each other when they have questions or bugs. It's cool when it happens, but it's rare. I also have it where Opus will delegate well-scoped tickets of 4 haikus and review and merge their work to try to be more cost-effective. Yeah, I mean, what it seems like, not even just with Swarms, but in general, everyone's just trying to be slick. You know? Everyone's just trying to be so slick. My opinion, being slick isn't the right way to go about things. But we're not looking good, guys. We're on 82% here. We might have to call the stream early. I don't know. I should have looked and used my credits earlier this morning. You're trying to mirror what you see in real software engineering, so everyone like gets on a call and like says what they're doing and like talks to each other, and but really has no like benefit with each other and just waste time like doing like the whole agile thing. I'm just kidding, Bob. But there's some truth in it too. Whisper communication system? We're gonna have a Whisper. As a Ghost player, I want limited communication through directional pings and preset callouts so I can guide without full chat. What in the world? All my agents spend 30 to 60 minutes in a stand-up. That's supposed to last 5 minutes. Then I'm out of tokens and have to wait 5 hours before they get anything done. Or do they work in California too? What does this ticket mean? I don't know, we might have to talk about it for a while to really understand and do a deep dive into it, you know? So I don't know if this is like, if I should even run this ticket right now. This ticket is saying an iOS build. We're gonna just move that to blocked. It doesn't block any other tickets. We'll come back to that. Yes, that ticket sounds smart and meaningless at the same time. That's how I prompt. I mean, it's making these tickets like the way I prompt, which apparently is pretty effective. I mean, if I had to say so myself. So like when you die in the game, it's a multiplayer game. So when you die, you become a ghost. I don't want it. I didn't want it to be like if you die, you have to wait until like forever to play. Like you're still in it. No, Dog Dad. I stopped going to the daily meetings. All right, it's not looking good, guys. We're at 87%. Yeah, I know he's speaking generally. Is 100% accurate to my actual daily meeting? Yeah, probably. I think we're gonna let all these terminals end.
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, new subscriber. 20 away from our sub goal. I mean, I wish our thing didn't end, because we're doing pretty good on subs today. Thanks for subscribing, whoever you were. Start her up. Let's see what you get so far. I'm gonna need Claude to tell me how to start it though. I'm gonna have to use that bridge my money from our Claude subs. Alright, we'll just place tickets in to do. Yeah, so the shorts campaign that I've been running for past couple days, I think it's working, guys. I think it's working. I mean, the shorts that have been coming out are not terrible. Not all of them, at least. $507. I don't know why sometimes it doesn't like actually stack them. Like this should be here, right? Should be like that. I think your shorts need to be either entertaining or informative, so get a peanut suit or just talk a bit more about what you're doing during streams. True. Yeah, I mean all the shorts that are out there are just you know, it's an AI clipping tool basically that's generating them. I generated like 150 shorts from 3 different live streams, and they're scheduled to run until Sunday-ish. Almost for 3 hours in a row with 1 hour breaks. Have you seen any of the shorts, Dog Dad? 96%. You know, I think it might be the lava lamp that did it today, guys. It's very lobbying. They showed up on your feed a lot in the beginning. Yeah, sorry about that. What's up, packet loss?
At packet loss 404 pulls the slot machine.
Almost. Just vibing. Nice. Well, we are pretty close. I don't know. I don't know what we should do. I mean, we've only streamed for 3 hours. I guess it's fine to not stream for 5 hours every day, right? Oh, you're making a game too? Nice. It was a very productive day. Yeah, it was. My Codex and Gemini limits. I mean, we're not gonna get any of these tickets done. Like, by the time Codex is done, it will. Our Claude ticket tokens will be back. Alright, this says, let's see, 311. Are we working on 311 here? Yep. 408, okay. 407, good. 406. Where's 406? .406 says done, but this agent's still working. Did I move it to done? When a ticket changes status, we need to log that and know if it was a human or a specific agent. That might have been a mistake. I'll put it back in progress. %. Come on. This one's been going for 35 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it. I don't know, Bob. I'm at 99% now. I think I'm just gonna let him run. Just gonna let it run out of tokens. And what I do is I just come back and just say I leave all these terminals open. And say continue. I do have extra usage. I have $29 of extra usage at the moment. I gave it a $10 budget. Continue. Cloud, that's it. Alright, I spent $2 of extra usage so far. Money, money, money. Money. I saw the other day it said give your passes to somebody and get $10 of extra usage. Did you see that? Yeah, I think they do come back. I mean, I slowly give them out to selective people. Look at this here. The GameRoom.ts file is empty. Something wiped it, likely an external process. Let me check for a compiled backup. There's a compiled There's a compiled game room. Let me use agent tool to reconstruct the TypeScript source from the compiled JS. Are these guys fighting each other? Game room. Uh-oh. Reconstruct game room. Oh my goodness, these two are fighting each other. Stop. Both of you stop. Stop fighting. What's this guy doing? This guy's working on the game room too. Okay. Maybe this is why they talk to each other? Hard times calls for hard measures. Gonna have to optimize and use a mixture of haiku and opus. Well, how can it know? 504, 406, 407. I mean, look at this ticket. Poor agents. Well, I just put them in timeout. Alright, continue. As a player, I want the thick plating card that adds armor with a shadow effect that reduces team dodge speed. How many are done? How many tickets? $80 tickets are done, but we literally ran out of our tokens. We're on extra usage right now. I put a $10 limit on it because I had like some credits, so we've used $4.89 of limit of that limit so far. I just want to fix these tickets here, if it's possible. I wonder how long those tickets have been like killing each other. Alright, we got one ticket done. Let's check our usage. 660. Or what if this is a symptom of a file that needs to be refactored and broken down into smaller files? Well, we might have to figure that out once they reconstruct the file. Can you create an app where we can stream from Android and iOS also in multiple platforms? We have to stream like Twitch, YouTube at the same time. Some exist streaming apps don't support mic on Android. Can you do it? Possibly. Arson, you guys really got to help me with these names. Which terminal is he using? You could just ask me. I'm using QuadCode. This is my custom application that I wrote. I'll be releasing it soon. The last thing I said was at 500 subscribers, I'll be releasing QuadCode. Alright, cool. We got 2 tickets done now. Can mark that done. But yeah, check back, you know. There's a lot of people that are interested in QuadCode. Why is this not updated? Is the ticket done? Quad code, packet loss. One feature of my agent chat tool, right, is that agents that the chat tool does right, maybe, is that agents can make advisory locks on files so they don't overwrite each other. I don't use that feature though. I use work trees managed by my other tool. How much time I need to become AI engineer without degree? How much time do you have? Is there another ticket for the client-side visual indicator? I'm not sure why you didn't implement that. Yeah, I mean, it's just however much time you have. For study, 6-7 hours, I mean, that's plenty of time, dude. Just jump in it, that's what I'd say. You wanna build something, just build it. You're never gonna know until you try. I wanted to name it Pact, but Pact is saturated. Awesome. How long did it take you to build the Kanban board that synced to actual task? What's the general approach to build it? Well, I built it all on stream actually, so if you do want to just go back and watch the VODs, it's all live. I built it live here. But yeah, I mean, it's just a Kanban board, has tickets, and you know, just slowly iterated through building it out. MCP, there's an MCP server with it as well, right? So the MCP server, the agents can, you know, move tickets from here to there. You could right click a ticket and click work on issue. Which reminds me of a feature we want to add. If an agent is working on an issue, there should be a button in the terminal header that opens that issue's description right up. And vice versa, there should be a button on a ticket that will ping the terminal that ticket is being worked under. Alright, we're only at 755 extra usage, so one terminal at a time for now is doing alright for us. Honestly, I don't even know what this guy is doing right now. Can we see a demo of the game? I don't think we can have a demo of the game. I mean, we could try. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's look at the README. Install PMNP. PNPM. Oh, I do have that. First time setup. Okay. Wow, Claude's making it easy for me. Lock file is up to date. Okay, good. This is gonna take a lot to get going. We got to set the database up. We gotta build it. I don't know if I'm up for that all that right now. I mean, I already know it's not gonna be the most complete game, if anything. Oh, I will, Bob. I will. But right now we got Claude over here fixing his mess. Right now we're at 825 extra usage. I don't. Maybe. I mean, we could look at the env file. There's only an example env, not a real one. Discord off. Discord bot token for server integration features. Did you guys expect that we're gonna have a Discord integration in this game? I guess that makes sense. What? Alright, so 406. All 4 acceptance criteria are now met. Why didn't you add a note? Alright, well, no note for this one. Just go straight to done. Alright, I had another agent that was working on the same thing. He already reconstructed the game room, I believe. So, yeah, double check that and then try to finish your ticket. How's that for a prompt? Is Arsini still in the chat? Okay, we're at 890. Do you think we have enough to like finish these 2 tickets and the mess that we caused ourselves? $1.10. I mean, I do have more. I have $20 left. Oh, there we go. Everything's wired up. We're gonna get the same exact prompt. Oh no, not that one. This prompt to this guy. Oh wait, that's a Tory build one. We're not gonna, or Android build. I feel like, I don't know why, but I just feel like we should do that at the end. Tory 2.0 Android wraps the web client. Okay, cool. That's good. Wraps the web client. Okay, that's also good. Touch controls work natively. App Store submission requirements met. Okay, well, I guess that's not that bad then. I don't know about submitting to the Android store. I'm not sure how much that's going to cost. I'm only going to do that if this game's going to make some money, I suppose, on the Android store. But I don't know if that's feasible. Comments added. Oh, look at that. Okay, I think we're back on track, guys. 504. That could go to do. Let's close that stuff down. So we only have 74 tickets left. Well, plus the 4 in to do. Scouting rooms, 1007. So many tickets that just have other dependencies. Oh, look, there's one. Oh, look, another one. Another one. That's how we do it. We just scroll down. Anti-cheat server authority. That's gonna be a fun ticket. Why don't you just drag and drop tickets into do? Because unfortunately, I the visual piece of it, where it's like showing like if there's any blockers, like that's what I'm doing. I'm going here, seeing is it blocked by anything. This one's green, so I'm putting it in to do. So unfortunately, I just need to update the GUI interface a little bit to, you know, help me out and do that. But yeah. All right, well, we got 13 tickets here and to do 1,002. This one is a big one. This one blocks a lot of tickets. All right. Well, guys, I think it's that time. We're gonna play the credits here. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Sad day. Yeah, don't worry. We'll be back though. We did pretty good on this announcement on 400 subs though, which is really cool. But yeah, we're gonna play the credits here, guys. Check in tomorrow. We'll continue maybe this, maybe something else, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys have a good night.
Sometimes I sit back and I think about the grind, every late night session, every line of code design. They said I couldn't build it, said the dream was way too big, but I'm a vibe coder, watch me ship another gig. Quads lab on the rise, yeah, the Discord's getting loud. Friday night we streaming, building for the crowd. From CX on scripts, Tory on the desktop, independent hustle, never gonna let it stop. Cause Quad H don't quit till I log off, and even when I log off, I'm still plotting what comes next. Quads lab don't stop till the server drops. We building every day until there's nothing left. Till I log off, till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off, till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off. Starting from the bottom with a terminal in the mic. YouTube grind is real, but every subscriber's hype. Dr. 5 on deck, lab rats in the queue. Got 1,000 ideas and I'm seeing all of them through. They can keep the doubt, so just keep the receipts. Every repo push, there's another fit of seat. Quads lab is the movement of the moment, get it right. We don't sleep on dreams, we deploy them every night. Cause Quad H don't quit till I log off. And even when I log off, I'm still plotting what comes next. Quads lab don't stop till the server drops. We building every day until there's nothing left. Till I log off, till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off, till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off. Mr. Greats, nah, I ain't in the conversation yet, but I'm grinding like I'm next. Put your money on the bet. From the chat to the code to the content to the stage. Quad H writing history on every single page. So when you see me screaming, know it's more than just a show. It's a lab rap revolution. Watch the community grow. Vibe coding ain't a trend. It's a lifestyle and a lane. And Quads Lab is the name that they're gonna remember, man. I won't stop for the algorithm. Won't stop for the haters. Won't stop building tools that turn dreamers into creators. So until the lights go dark and the last commit is made, Quad H stands tall. I was building, I was never afraid.